What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. New Delhi, D. Chennai. The correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first President of India? A. Radhakrishnan, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. APJ Abdul Kalam, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What is the currency of India? A. Dollar, B. Rupee, C. Taka, D. Yen. The correct answer is option B, rupee. How many states are there in India 2026? A. 27, B. 28, C. 29, D. 30. The correct answer is option B, 28. Which is the smallest state in India by area? A. Goa, B. Sikkim, C. Tripura, D. Mizoram. The correct answer is option A, Goa. Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Maharashtra, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Which Indian state has the largest population? A. Bihar, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. West Bengal. The correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna, B. Godavari, C. Ganga, D. Brahmaputra. The correct answer is option C, Ganga. Which river flows through Delhi? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Narmada, D. Kaveri. The correct answer is option B, Yamuna. Which river is a tributary of the Ganga? A. Yamuna, B. Godavari, C. Krishna, D. Kaveri. The correct answer is option A, Yamuna. Which is the southernmost point of India? A. Kanyakumari, B. Ramaswaram, C. Indira Point, D. Lakshadweep. The correct answer is option C, Indira Point. Which ocean lies to the south of India? A. Pacific, B. Atlantic, C. Arctic, D. Indian. The correct answer is option D, Indian Ocean. Which monument is located in Agra? A. Red Fort, B. Qutub Minar, C. Taj Mahal, D. Gateway of India. The correct answer is option C, Taj Mahal. Who built the Taj Mahal? A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Babur, D. Shah Jahan. The correct answer is option D, Shah Jahan. Where is India Gate located? A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Jaipur, D. Amritsar. The correct answer is option B, Delhi. Which city is known as the City of Lakes? A. Bhopal, B. Udaipur, C. Nainital, D. Jaipur. The correct answer is option B, Udaipur. Which city is called the City of Joy? A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. The correct answer is option C, Kolkata. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? A. Hyderabad, B. Pune, C. Bengaluru, D. Chennai. The correct answer is C, Bengaluru. What is the full form of ISRO? A. Indian Space Research Organization, B. Indian Satellite Research Office, C. International Space Research Organization, D. Indian Science Research Office. The correct answer is A. Indian Space Research Organization. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Vikram Sarabhai, B. Homi Bhabha, C. APJ Abdul Kalam, D. Satish Dhawan. The correct answer is option C, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Bhagat Singh. The correct answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which Indian state is famous for tea production? A. Kerala, B. Assam, C. Bihar, D. Odisha. The correct answer is option B, Assam. Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Rivers? A. Haryana, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Punjab. Which Indian state is famous for backwaters? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Goa, D. Odisha. The correct answer is option B, Kerala. What is the main language spoken in Kerala? A. Tamil, B. Kannada, C. Malayalam, D. Telugu. The correct answer is option C, Malayalam. Which Indian dance form is associated with Kathakali? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Odisha, D. Assam. The correct answer is option B, Kerala. What is Lok Sabha? A. Upper House, B. State Assembly, C. Lower House of Parliament, D. Supreme Court. The correct answer is option C, Lower House of Parliament. In which year did India get independence? A. 1945, B. 1947, C. 1950, D. 1952. The correct answer is option B, 1947. In which year did India become a republic? A. 1947, B. 1949, C. 1950, D. 1952. The correct answer is option C, 1950.